Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to navigate the Upstart dashboard like a pro in 2025. The Upstart dashboard is designed to give you a quick overview of your loan status, payment schedules, and available offers. And here's how to use that efficiently. The key sections of the dashboard include the home dashboard. Now here you get a display of your loan balance as well as payment due dates and remaining terms. It also includes alerts for upcoming payments or required actions such as documents upload or whatnot. You're gonna find all that in the home dashboard. Loan offer section. So if you're pre-qualified for a new loan, you're gonna see the available offers here, and you can compare different loan amounts, interest rates, and repayment terms before applying for this loan. So you're gonna find all of that in the loan offer section. For the documents tab, you can use this section to upload the required documents such as income verification and identification. You can also keep track of the verification status of your submitted documents right here on this documents tab. And also for the settings and profiles, here you can update your email, your phone number, and linked bank accounts. You can also adjust notification preferences to receive payment reminders, all right here on the settings and profile. And as for the support and help centers, here they provide FAQs, that's frequently asked questions, live chats, and email support options. So check the status of any opened support tickets or inquiries, all right here on the support and help center. That's pretty much it on how to navigate the Upstart dashboard like a pro in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will catch you guys in the next one.